Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, gypsies, hippies, and hipsters, jits, jibes, imposters, and rostas. Now we got Divine Kush Brush. I don't know if you can hear the snap. Anyway, let you guys know what this tastes like. Sticking to my finger a little bit. Yeah. Divine Kush Brush, made by Kayak. Galaxy Extract Vaporizer. For hand or home, I chose Galaxy Purple. If you enjoy any part of this video, give it a thumbs up. If you hate it, let me know in the comments. Have a great day. Gassy. A little bit of sour notes. Slightly earthy taste. Great lung feel. A little bit of a skunk on the exhale. That's pretty much all I got. Highly recommend it. Have a great day.